What's good, YouTube? It's your boy X, presenting highlights 1. Enjoy. Catch you later.
What's up with you? Like, I like the trees.
Hey.
Yes.
And this bitch still capping with the no, bro.
22.
Right now, I'm gonna come up.
Just
Ladies
Serena.
ain't talking my shit because I know I come from the gutter. So shout out to
Not
brother.
trying to
Then I
DC,
go
but-
and all of this living like I was a brother. How can you hate me? I'm coming from mother. Know where to sleep. What the fuck is a cover? Now I pop out the ballistics. They runners, man. Tell us I'm tweaking. I already fucked her. I was down bad. I know I done it all. I was serving the fiends. Let it
Bro, man, your bills.
If I got a problem, I'm making one call. While none of your niggas be sliding at all. The bitch like an oven. I'm packing that heat. Only with bitches when this in the sheets.
Bro, you just selling he's the Jonesy skin.
Too much of the walkie be having me sleep. But I be ready to freak.
No.
Cause they like to sneak Gucci and Prada be having me tripping like I was a sin, man. What did you do? I'm trying to make it to put some VVs inside my Cuban link, man. Why do this thing? Kobe been bringing in pounds of the side, but y'all know we didn't you niggas not street. I can have youngers that 13 and under, put you on the T and I do it for free. Weary and things, he was serving the fiends. Bill told me to stop popping the beans. Right on the T, that was still in my dreams. I like dropping them zannies inside of my lean. Little easy been work, keep passing your moves. We got them bitches twerking. We see in the cut and that nigga be lurking. Can't see in the track cause we closing the curtain. Don't know what I'm feeling. Seem like the niggas who got it.
1v1 him.
You know I ain't tripping. Drop me
I'm running, Chris.
away and my transaction pills before the pandemic. My niggas was clicking some riddles. Can't wait to hit Johnny. The fuck up my dinner. We took him to 40. A fuck up his middle. We put him on TV like he Jimmy Kimmel. My niggas some wrestling. Tough like a whistle. My lows to this Dutch. This gets off the sizzle. You know we erasing a nigga like pencils. The skirt off the way. But my niggas get little. But don't let me get started. The flow on the rock got me looking retarded. Niggas be hating that really be garbage.
I know.
Some niggas the but I never care. Trying to get niggas see green everywhere. My niggas on go. Why y'all niggas be scared? Off of the walk, it get harder to steer. But I'm on my way up. See you when I'm there.